Hi, welcome to IGCSE Maths. In this lesson series, I will going to solve question 19 from Extended Mathematics for IGCSE. Our question is, some drivers try to estimate their annual cost of repairs $C in relation to their average speed of driving as kilometer per hour using the equation C is equals to 6s plus 50. Draw the graph for 0 less than equal to s less than equal to 160. From the graph, find part A. The estimated repair bill for a man who drives at an average speed of 65 km. The part B is the average speed at which a motorist drives if his annual repair bill is $300. Part C. The annual saving for a man who, on returning from holiday, reduces his average speed of driving from 100 km to 65 km. Now here, this equation is giving in slope-intercept form. So this is the y-intercepting point. Now here they give the values for speed is 0 till 160 here. So these are a list of numbers. So you can take some random numbers, the starting and the middle one and the ending one. So here I solve some starting number 0 to 4, and then the next line is the tens line 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 60, and then here we have the 65. And then some the hundreds, 100, and then 140, and then 160, and then 130 here. Our equation is C is equals to 6s plus 50. So first I will going to put the 0 value. So the cost we got is $50. Now the next is 1. So 6 into 1 we got 1. 50 plus 6 is 56. And this way I solve till 4. The tens value here is 66 into 10. 60 plus 50 is equals to 110. In the same way, I solve the number of speed value, the random that I took the tens and the 100 values. So this small unit cell is equals to 1 centimeter. On every 2 centimeter, I take 20 units. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, and 160 because they give the limit for the speed is from 0 to 160. So here I plotted along the x-axis the speed kilometer per hour, and along the y-axis I plot the cost that is in dollar. Here again I take on every 2 centimeter 100 unit, and then 200 and 300 and so on. So our first point for the graph is that is 0 here. So at 0 our cost is $50. So 0 and comma 50 is the first coordinate for the graph. 0 and here is 100, so this is 50. So this is our first point, and our slope in question you saw that our slope is 50. So means our straight line starting point is correct. Now the next point is 1, and that is $56, and so at 1 and $56. So if I see when is very near, if I were going to take a point maybe here it will come. So I didn't take the z and the ones value anymore in the graph. I start plugging the tan values here. That is 10 and the cost is 110. This is our other coordinate that I plug in our graph. That is 10 and another point is 110. So till here is 50. So this is a point I got at tens, and this is a point as 110. So this is another point we got from the slope intercept equation. And then 20 at 20 we got $170. Then at 20 we got $170. So till here is 150, 60, and then 70. So this is the another point. The third coordinate we have is $2,170. In this way, I solve and then I plug in all the coordinates from this solution. I got all these points and then I drew a straight line through it. Now it's time to do the solution. Part 1 is the estimated repair bill for a man who drives at an average speed of 65 km per hour. When he drives at speed of 65 km per hour, so what will be the bill, the cost? So here we have the 60 and here is 70. So this is 65 kilometers. So I drew this vertical line till the straight line where the straight line ends, and then I drew the horizontal line. So I found that the cost he needed is $440. Next, they are asking the average speed at which a motorist drives if his annual repair bill is $300. When he spent $300, what will be the speed? So this is 300 along the y-axis. This is a point. I drew a horizontal line to the straight line. This is a Cartesian point we got, and then drew this vertical line. So I got 42 kilometer per hour he drive, and he spent $300. Now the last part is the annual saving for a man who, on returning from a holiday, reduces his average speed of driving from 100 km per hour to 65 km per hour. So, for this, we need to first find the 100 kilometer. When he drive to 100 kilometer, what happened for the annual bill? He reduces his speed from 100 to 65 kilometers. So first we need to find out the 100 kilometer cost. So here is 100. I do a vertical line and then the horizontal line. So I got that when his speed was 100 kilometer per hour, so he spent $650. And when his speed was he reduces his speed from 100 to 65 kilometer, how much cost he spent is $440. So we need the difference of this $650 and 440. So we got $210 annual saving. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, please do subscribe to my channel.